What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw a Minecraft creeper. Let's begin today's lesson on the top of our page and draw a large square for the head. We'll start on the top left side, draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right. Now I want to draw that same length line coming down the side, so let's start with the left. Coming all the way down to right about there, and then do the same thing on the right side. I want to close off the bottom of that square with another straight line. Now I want to turn our square into a three-dimensional cube. So from the top corners, we're just going to angle the head, going back and in. And then we'll close this off with another straight line. Now in the middle of our square, we're going to step down and draw a straight line from left to right, all the way across and then out. Let's add two squares for the eyes. From the ends, draw two lines going up, come in with that same length line, and come all the way down towards the bottom. Now I want to extend these two lines coming down to right about there. Go out toward the side and then come down towards the bottom, leaving a gap along the bottom edge. Now let's pull this in, coming in. Now it's going to square off the inside. We're going to go up and we'll flatten this off. Let's add two small squares on the top left side of each eye. Come in and then back up. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes and the mouth area. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. From the bottom corners of the head, let's step in, draw a straight line coming all the way down toward the legs to right about there. Go to the right side, I want to take that same distance, so right here, draw another straight line coming down. And we want to draw the top edge of the legs. We're going to line up with the side of the head, draw a straight line coming in, and leave a gap in between, and draw the same length line on the right side. On the outside legs, draw two straight lines coming all the way down towards the bottom. Go to the inside, draw the same length line. Let's close off the bottom of the feet. Now inside, right down here, close off the body with a straight line. Now halfway down the legs, draw another line going across. Let's add a few pixels inside the body. On the left side, I'm going to draw a small square coming in, down, and then out. Let's go to the bottom right, draw another square. Add one more square from this corner, coming in. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of a Minecraft creeper. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day. We're all showing how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.